On 6 November 2025 at the Carrara Oval on the Gold Coast, the 4th T20 International of the 5-match series between India national cricket team and Australia national cricket team proved to be a key turning point. Australia won the toss, their skipper Mitchell Marsh, and chose to field first, hoping to restrict India and then chase with their usual power. India's innings got off to a steady start with openers finding some rhythm. Shubman Gill top scored with 46, anchoring the innings as India posted 167 for 8 in their 20 overs. Supporting roles came from Abhishek Sharma 28 and Shivam Dube 22. Late in the innings, India added valuable lower-order contributions including Akshar Patel who finished 21 not out, giving the total a little boost. Australia's chase looked promising early on. They managed a strong start, with Matshot and Marsh making inroads and reaching a decent platform. But the pivotal moment came when India's spin battery began to bite. The host side collapsed dramatically, losing their last 7 wickets for just 28 runs in 41 deliveries. The final outcome, Australia were bowled out for just 119 in 18.2 overs, giving India a 48-run win and a 2-1 lead in the series. What made this match stand out was how India's bowlers stepped up in the crucial middle overs. Washington Sundar returned to the attack and produced a superb spell, picking up 3 wickets for only 3 runs in 1.2 overs. Akshar Patel picked up 2 for 20, and Varun Chakravarti grabbed 1 for 26, the trio effectively strangling the Australian innings. Even though Nathan Ellis and Adam Zampa bowled well for Australia earlier, the spin assault from India turned the tide. India's innings, though not huge by modern T20 standards, was well paced and the platform set by Gill allowed the middle and late order to play with intent yet composure. Captain Suryakumar Yadav contributed base of 10 balls with quick intent that helped maintain momentum. India didn't aim for an astronomical total but built enough to put Australia under pressure, and the bowlers finished the job. Australia's problems began once their chase moved past the power play. After a bright start, wickets began to fall in the middle overs and the reset in momentum was stark. A mix of tight spin, some loose shots and India's fielding triggered the collapse. The hosts simply could not rebuild, with their batting lineup unable to handle the spin and pressure that followed. From a tactical point of view, this match showcased how effective a balanced combination can be. India blended a responsible batting approach, a spin-heavy attack that exploited conditions, and intelligent captaincy with Suryakumar Yadav making the right calls at the right time, including matchups and DRS decisions to manage the game. For Australia, this match will be a reminder that despite a strong start, losing momentum in the middle overs and failing to build partnerships can prove costly. In terms of the series implications, with this win India moved to 2-1 with 1 match remaining. That means Australia must win the 50-0 to level the series, while India will be buoyed by the momentum and confidence this performance provides. Looking ahead, Australia will need to rethink their middle and lower order stability, possibly reassess how they handle spinners and pressure scenarios. India, on the other hand, can build on this combination of effective top order, lower order resilience and a varied bowling attack. With a favourable result here, India have 1 foot on the trophy for the T20 series. It was, in summary, a polished performance by India. They didn't get flashy, they kept the plan intact, grabbed key moments, and turned the match with their bowlers when it mattered most. Australia, after a good start, simply folded under pressure. The scoreboard might show a relatively modest chase, but the way the gears shifted midway made all the difference. For fans, this one will be remembered not just for the result but for how the match swung entirely in India's favour once the spinners got going and how Australia couldn't respond. The Gold Coast surface, offering some grip and assisting spin as the innings progressed, played its part as well. If you like, I can pull up full scorecard details, wickets, overs by overs, partnerships and key moment breakdowns for this match.